Oh, now I'm getting to the very, very best part, dessert. And I just call it chocolate bundles. Michael's gonna call it fabulously delicious. But we're gonna start with a puff pastry, just a frozen puff pastry that you buy at the grocery store. And you're gonna be just tickled pink when you find out just how quick and easy this dessert is. It's gonna look like you've spent a lot of time when you hadn't. You'll find the instructions to work in the puff pastry on the box. It'll tell you to let it sit out on the counter for about 20 minutes and thaw out. And then you can very gently just unwrap it. And I'm going to cut these into about a 4-inch square. So that will give us 4 servings from one sheet. Now, I'm going to make an egg wash because we're going to bundle these up like a little beggar's purse. Now I'm going to add a little heavy cream to our eggs. Give those a quick beat. If y'all have ever seen me do brie en croûte, sometimes I do my bries in bundles. Well, this is kind of the same idea for this dessert. Now I'm going to brush this entire inside with the egg because when we do it up in our little purses, we want that dough to be able to stick to each other. All right. Now for the good part. You can do anything you want to do, but I'm using one of Michael's favorite candies. So I'm going to put a couple of chocolate candies in it, and then I'm just going to bundle this up, and I'm going to give it a twist, and it looks just like a little purse. I heard the other day, in fact, we were having a discussion that men react very romantically to the smell of baking bread. And another little tidbit of information is they say that chocolate releases something in the female brain that is the same feeling that you have when we're in love. So I've got the best of both here. I've got bread and I've got the candy. A perfect combination. All right, now I'm going to put these on the cookie sheet. And now I'm going to brush the outside with the milk and egg combination so that they'll be nice and shiny and have a pretty finish to them. You can have these done in just a matter of a few minutes for any occasion, but to me this is a little bit romantical because of the combinations of the foods. All right, now we're going to stick these in a 350 preheated degree oven until they're nice and brown. All right, let's get these in the oven. And while these are making, we're not done with those bundles yet. I'm going to make a chocolate ganache, just in case there's not enough chocolate oozing out of that bread. Ganache is just a fancy word for chocolate and heavy cream. So we're just going to scald this off, and then we're going to pour it over our broken chocolate. And the heat from the heavy cream is going to melt that chocolate. All right. Our cream's hot. Just gonna stir that together. It won't take it but just a minute to melt that chocolate because chocolate melts pretty fast. You can see it, you know, it's just really, really chocolatey. But look at this ganache, how pretty that is. Perfect. I've got some bundles in the other oven. Oh yeah. Oh my goodness, look at the chocolate bubbling out of that one. I want to show y'all how I'm going to serve this to Michael. I'm going to put the ganache on the bottom. And the strawberry and mint right there. And then just a little dribble on top. You can have this fabulous dessert within a matter of a few minutes. Let's see what we've got. Why don't we kind of cut him open and see what's going to happen. Oh, look at that chocolate. I think it needs whipping cream too. Put down in that little hole. I'm gonna have him eating out of the palm of my hand. Y'all don't miss this one. Your man or your woman will love you for it. Y'all stick around because coming up next, I've got a few tips to share with you. Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.